Here we are, season makers, the manufacturers and wholesalers of zircon jewelry from India. We are the supplier from 2006. I'm going to show you some beautiful ones right now, and we are having more than 8,000 designs in our stock. You can say the most biggest stockholder in India right now. We are doing doorstep delivery to worldwide, as we are the exporters. Whatever the designs you want, from simple to gorgeous. We are having factory with 450 craftsmen. You can see the look after making all the jewelry, the finishing look. It is a royal look, you can say, or the best imitation jewelry right now in present. If you are looking for this kind of jewelry, kindly contact us as soon as possible. Season Makers is here. Like, share. Thank you.